Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this video I want to give an example on how to download a file by clicking on a link or a button, and you can add many different kinds of file types such as images, documents, audio or video formats. It all works very simple, and if you find this kind of videos interesting, don't forget to click on the thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to the channel. So to start off, we're going to upload a file in the media library in the WordPress dashboard. And as you can see, I have already been logged into the WordPress dashboard. And the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the media option over here. You can click on it or you can click on add new. I click on media, and over here you can see the add new button also, and then click on the add new button. Over here you can see drop files to upload, so you can just drag your file into this window. And over here you can see the maximum upload file size is set to 256 MB. And if you have a file which has a larger size, then you need to contact the SiteGround support desk and they can help you with increasing the limit for the file size. If the size of the file you want to upload is more than the allowed limit, an error message will be displayed. So if you get an error message, check the size of the file that you want to upload and whether it is not larger than the allowed limit. So in this case, I drag a PDF file into the window to upload it. And let me first show you the PDF file. That's just a blank canvas, only with the text. This is a test PDF. You can see the name of the file over here, tutorial PDF file. So I'll just drag the file into the canvas to upload it. Now you see it has been added over here, and if I click on it, now you can see that over here at file URL a link is displayed, and we need to copy this URL. So I click on this button, copy URL to clipboard, and the reason that I have copied this URL is because this URL points to the location of the file, which makes it able to being downloaded when the link is clicked. So let me show you that right now. So I close this window, and the next thing I do is I go to pages over here, select all pages, and now I go to the home page and I hover over it, and then I select the edit with Elementor option. So I click on it. Now you can see that the page has been loaded, and over here I have this button. So for this example I will duplicate this button by clicking on it with the right mouse button. Then I select the duplicate option like this, and I select the one on the top, and over here you can see the text is now set to view all tutorials. So let's make this something like download PDF. In this field now another URL is displayed, so we can remove that, and now we add the URL of the file that we have just uploaded. So now you see that the link has been added. It's also possible to use a relevant file name for the file, and for that you can click on this gear icon over here which says link options. Click on it and now go to the custom attributes field, and over here you can fill in something like download followed by the pipe symbol, and then just enter a name for the file that you want to use. In my case I set it to tutorial PDF, and now we're all done. So next thing to do is of course click on the update button, or otherwise all the changes won't be saved. So never forget to click on the green update button. So now we're all done, and to show you how it works, I will open a new window in an incognito tab, as you can see over here. So if I now scroll down, you can see that the download link or the download button has been added, and if I click on it, now you see that the file will be downloaded over here with the file name that we've just entered in the custom attributes field, so tutorial PDF. And if I open the file, now you can see it's the same file as I have just showed you in the beginning of the video. The file can be downloaded on all types of devices, so on desktop but also on tablet and mobile. So like I mentioned before, you can upload various files in this way, such as images, documents, audio or video formats. So I hope you found this video interesting. If that's the case, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up. Also make sure to click on the notification bell so you will be updated when new videos are being uploaded. And with that being said, thank you for watching and I hope to see you back again in the next video.